One of the powerful skills you can learn in 2026 is becoming a data scientist or a data analyst. And this tool here is PowerBi, where it allows you to bring insight from very complex data sets. Now, this data set you see here is coming from this other complex data set from our table view. You can see our table view here. That data is coming from this data, you see. So looking at this complex data here, it's impossible to tell what is actually happening. But once we go to our report view, you see that that data has been transformed to this level, and it begins to give you really quick analysis and quick summary of what is actually happening to this business. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to the link above there and click and start getting the full course through our YouTube channel. Stay blessed.